Welcome to Roshan Academy. Today I am going to explain your 8th lesson, Vichitraha Sakshi. Ayam Pathaha Om Prakash Thakur Virachita Kathayaha Sampatitaha Amshaha Asti. Iyam Katha बंगसाहित्यकार बंकिम चंद्र चैटर्जी द्वारा न्यायाधीश रूपेण प्रदत्त निर्णयोपरि आधारिता अस्ति. न्यायकर्तारः सत्यासत्य निर्णयार्थं यदा कदा तादृशीनां युक्तीनां प्रयोगं कुर्वन्ति याभिः प्रमाणं विना अपि न्यायः स्यात्. अस्यां कथायामपि न्यायाधीशेन तथैव मार्गः आचरितः. Let us go to the lesson. कश्चन निर्धनो जनः भूरि परिश्रम्य किञ्चित् वित्तम् उपार्जितवान्. One poor man doing very hard work earned some money. Uparjitavan means earned. तेन वित्तेन स्वपुत्रम् एकस्मिन् महाविद्यालये प्रवेशं दापयितुं सफलो जातः. With that money, he took admission for his son in a university. तत्तनयः तत्रैव छात्रावासे निवसन् अध्ययने संलग्नः समभूत्. So his son lived in a hostel and engaged in his studies. His son lived in a hostel and engaged in his studies. Once his son became sick and the poor father heard about the sickness and he went to see him. Ekata sa pita tanujasya rugnatamakarnya vyakulo jataha putram drashtum cha prasthitaha paramarthakashyena piditaha sa basyanam vihaya Padadireva prachalat. So what happened? His son lived in a hostel and engaged in his studies, and once his son became sick and the poor father heard about the sickness of his son and he went to see him. Param arthakashena means due to the lack of money. Param arthakashena, due to lack of money, that sad and poor man could not go by bus and thought of going by walking. Padatireva. Padatireva. That means by walking. Prachalat. He started going, went by walking. Next is Padadikramena Sanchalan सायं समये असौ गंधव्यात् दूरे आसीत्. पदादिक्रमेण संचलन, because of by walking, सायं समये असौ गंधव्यात् दूरे आसीत्. That means by the reason of walking it took too much time to reach and still his destination was very far. And what happened? Nishandhagare prasrute vijane pradeshe padayatra na shubhavaha. So his destination was very far. Nishandhagare prasrute vijane pradeshe padayatra na shubhavaha. That means due to the darkness of night, it was not safe. Na shubhavaha. Na shubhavaha. It is not good because it was a lonely place. Vijana pradeshe. It was a lonely place. Evam vicharya. Evam thinking that. What happened? Vijana pradeshe padayatra na shubhavaha. Evam vicharya sa पार्श्वस्थिते ग्रामे रात्रि निवासं कर्तुं किंचिद गृहस्थं upagataha. So he thought of staying somewhere near that village. And Karuna Paro Grihitasmai Ashayam Prayachad. Karuna Paro means Dayalu, that man, the house owner, gave him permission to stay there. Understand? Karunaparo Grihi Tasmai Ashrayam Prayachat. And what happened next? Next is Vijitra Devagatihi. Vijitra Devagatihi, wonderful destiny. On that night itself, or on that night itself, one thief entered that house. Here, Vijitra Devagatihi, tasyam eva ratrau, tasmin grihe kaschana chauraha, grihabhyandaram pravishta. That same day, at night, one thief entered that house. Tatra nihitam ekam manchusham adaya palayitaha. So tatra nihitam ekam adaya manchusham adaya saha palayitaha. Chaurasya पादध्वनिना प्रबुद्धः अतिथिः चौरशङ्कया tam अन्वधावन्. What happened on that day? The thief took a box which was kept there and ran out. So that Aditi was sleeping there. By hearing the thief's padadhvani, stepping sound, the guest, that poor man, got up or woke up and ran behind the thief, and the thief was caught. Chaura Shankaya tam anvadhavan agrinacha. He was caught by the poor man. Param vijitram ghadata. Chauraha eva uchaihi kroshitum arabhata. Chauroyam iti. So what happened there? Param vijitram ghadata. Something wonderful, something happened there. What happened there? Chauraha eva uchaihi kroshitum arabhata. Means the thief tried to win over the poor man, and he started saying loudly that chauroyam iti. Many a time we heard such incidents like this. Students, tasya taraswarena, due to his loud noise or loud voice done by the thief, what happened? Prabuddhaha gramavasinaha swagrihat nishkramya tatra agachan. The neighbors woke up and they reached there, and they thought that the varagam adithim eva chauram matva abhadsyan. See, actually, Varaka, here Varaka means innocent Atithi who took shelter there, means those people thought that the poor and innocent man was the real thief, and they started abusing him. Abhadsyan means abusing him or abused him. Gramasya arakshi eva chauraha asit. Gramasya arakshi eva chauraha asit. So, Tatshanam eva Rachapurushaha tam adidhim chauroyam idi prakhyapya karagrihe prakshipat. Tatshanam eva Rachapurushaha tam adidhim chauroyam idi prakhyapya karagrihe prakshipat. Suddenly, tatshanameva, that Sipahi took that poor guest to the prison. Who is that Sipahi? Actually, the Sipahi, Arakshi, was the thief. So in order to win over that person, he loudly told that the poor man, actually the poor man is the thief. But all the people thought that the Arachi, what he told was correct, and took that poor guest to the prison. The Arachi took him to the prison. And next day what happened? Agrime dine sa Arachi Chaurabhiyoge tam Nyayalayam Chaurabhiyoge tam, that means on an allegation of stealing. On an allegation of stealing. Chaurabhiyoge. Blaming that poor man, Nyayalayam Nitavan. Next day, the Arachi took him to the court. So in the court, the judge Bankim Chandraha Ubhabhyam Prathak Vivaranam Shrutavan. The judge heard all the explanations separately. Sarvam Vrittam Avagatya, knowing all the things, Tam Nirdosham Amanyata. Arakshinam cha Doshabhajanam. That means the judge understood that the poor guest was innocent and that Arachi himself was the real culprit. Though he was the real culprit. Dosha bhajanam, culprit. Kintu pramanasya abhavena. Pramanam means evidence. Pramanam means evidence. Saha nirnedum na ashaknot means without having proper evidences, the judge was not able to decide or not able to take the judgment. And agrime dine upasthatum atishtavan, and he extended the case to the next day. Anyedyuhu means next day. Anyedyuhu means next day. Tau Nyayalaye swaswapacham punaha sthapitavantau. Next day again, both of them tried to convince or persuade. Then what happened? Tadaiva kaschit tatratyaha karmachari samagatya nyavedayat. Yet itaha, that means itaha means from here, Koshadvayantarale. Koshadvayantarale, that means 2 miles away from here, Kaschid Janaha Kenapi Hataha. That time one Karmachari entered and told that 2 miles away from here somebody killed someone. Hataha. Hataha means killed. Someone killed somebody. Tasya Mruta Shariram, dead body. Rajamargam Nikasha Vartate. Rajamargam Nikasha. Nikasha, along with Nikasha we have to use Dvitiya Vibhakti, that is why it is Rajamargam. Rajamargam Nikasha Vartate. And he told that dead body is there on the Rajamargam. That means Mukhya Marge Asti. Nikasha means very near. Adishyatam kim karaniyam iti. Please tell me what to do with that. That Karmachari was asking the judge what to do with that dead body. So, Nyayadhishaha Arakshinam Abhiyuktam cha tam shavam Nyayalaye anetum atishtavan. So the judge ordered those persons to bring that dead body to the court. Adesham prapya ubhau prachalatam. As per the order, they went. आदेशं प्राप्य उभौ प्राचलताम्. Tatropetya, reaching there. Tatropetya means reaching there. Kashtapatale. What is the meaning Kashtapatale? That means on a wooden board. Nihitam padachatitam. Padachatitam means covered by a cloth. Deham skandhena vahantau. Nyayadhikaranam prati prasthitau. So what happened there? They took that dead body. The dead body was covered by a cloth and it was kept on the wooden board. And these people went there and took that dead body to the court on their shoulders. They took that body to the court on their shoulders. Arakshi Supushtaha Asid. That Arakshi was very strong. And Abhiyuktaha cha Ativa Krishakayaha. The second one, that is the Varaga Atithi. Atithi was very Krishakayaha. He was very thin. Here, that Arakshakaha, he was very strong, that is Supushta Dehaha, and the other one was very weak and thin, Krishakayaha, Krishagatraha Asit. Bharavataha Shavasya Skandhena Vahanam Tat Krute Dushkaram Asid. For that weak person, it was very tough to lift the body on his shoulders. Saha Bhara Vedanaya, having pains on lifting that body. He was Krandati Sma. He was crying with pain. Tasya Krandanam Nishamya Arakshi Tam Uvacha. Seeing this, Arakshi, what he told? Arakshi told, Re Dushta Tasmin Dine त्वया अहम चोरिताया मंचुषाया गृह्णात वारितः. अरे दुष्ट, that day you stopped me from taking that box which was stolen by me. See what that Arakshi told. Tvaya aham choritaya manchushaya grinad varitaha. Varitaha means stopped. You only stopped from taking me that box which was stolen by me. Idanim nijakrityasya phalam bhungshva. Idanim nijakrityasya phalam bhungshva. Now you should get the bad effect of your deed, what you had done that night. Asmin chaurabhiyoge means that allegation of stealing. Tvam varshatrayasya karadandam lapsyase. The Arakshi was telling, you will be getting 3 years imprisonment for that deed. Idi prochya uchaihi ahasad. Said like that, he laughed very loudly. Ahasad, laughed. Yatha kinchit Ubhau shavam aniya ekasmin chatvare sthapitavandau. And both of them brought the dead body and kept at the square. Nyayadhishena punaha tau ghadanayaha vishaye vaktum adishtau. Again started the hearing. Arakshani nijapatsham prastutavati. Arakshi told about his own side. Ascharyam akhatat. Wow, what happened there? Shavaha pravaragam abasarya. Pravaragam abasarya means removing the cloth, covered by a cloth. That shava, it was covered by a cloth. So here what happened? Removing that cloth. Nyayadhisham abhivadya, wishing the judge and that shava got up from there and he wished the judge and said, what he said? Manyavara, respected sir, etena arakshina adhvani yad uktam tat varnayami. On the way, whatever that Arakshi told, that here I am going to tell you. Sir, here I am going to tell you. Tvaya aham, what he told that Arakshi was telling, Tvaya aham choritayaha manchushayaha grinat varitaha ataha nija krityasya phalam bhungshva. He told like that. Do you know that? We read that. And that day I was stopped by you when I stole that box, and now you accept the bad effect of Karagrhavasam. Asmin chaurabhiyoge tvam varshatrayasya karadandam lapsyase iti. Nyayadhishaha Arakshine karadandam adishya tam janam sammanam muktavan. Muktavan means released. So, Nyayadhishaha Arakshine karadandam adishya. So, judge could take a good decision and proper judgment that Arakshakaha should be punished, and Varaga adhiti. Varaga means innocent, that poor innocent person, he was released with respect. Sasammanam muktavan, was released with respect. Sasammanam muktavan. Ataha eva uchyate. That is why it is told. See, here one sloka is given. Dushkaranyabhi karmani mati vaibhavashalinah nitim yuktim samalambya leelayaiva prakurvate. Once again, Dushkaranyabhi karmani mati vaibhavashalinah nitim yuktim samalambya leelayaiva prakurvate. Let's see the Anvaya. Mati vaibhavashalinaha dushkarani karmani api nitim yuktim samalambya leelaya eva prakurvate. Atah eva uchyate. That is why it is told Mati vaibhavashalinaha. What is the meaning of Mati vaibhavashalinaha? Those who are having good sense. Mati means buddhi. Buddhishalinaha. Buddhi vaibhavashalinaha. Those who are having good sense. Nitim yuktim samalambya. Nitim, niti and yukti. Nitim yuktim samalambya. With the use of or with the help of very good planning. Dushkarani karmani api. Very difficult task also. Dushkarani karmani api means very difficult task also. They make very simple and complete it, or otherwise they solve the difficult problem with justice and good planning and get it done beautifully. Leelaya eva. Leelaya eva means very beautifully they get it done. So, the lesson is over. Dhanyavadaha. Please subscribe, like and share.